All right, so how to factory reset the Kwikset Aura smart lock. So first step is we're going to want to make sure that the batteries are working. So you can hear the beeps. We know that the batteries are good in this lock, so we're going to get started on the back here. On the back, the first step we're going to do is we're going to remove this top plate, and it just pushes off. And then after we do that, what we're going to do at this point is we're going to pull the battery pack out, and there's a little handle right here, and you can just pull that out. And then after you pull it out, you're going to go to the program button right here. So this big black button, and you're going to push it down, and then you're going to drop the battery pack back in. So it'll just slide back in there. And what you'll do is you'll count to 30 seconds. And at the end of that 30 seconds, you're going to hear a beep. When you hear that beep, you're going to take your finger off the program button, and you're going to watch the light flash red 3 times. After it flashes that 3rd time, you're going to click the program button again. So we'll sit here and wait for that process to happen, but that's just me talking you through it right now. All right, so there's the light. 1, 2, 3. We'll press it. And now it'll flash a bunch of different colors. And how we know that we did it correctly is at the very end, you'll see the lock or the deadbolt right here, rehand at the end. And there you go. You see it rehanding? That's how you know that you reset it correctly. I'd use this if you ever have issues with syncing a lock. I'd always start with factory resetting, but you can see all the lights are gone here. So now you're good to go and sync up this lock.